Unlock your potential at the Dehradun School of Advanced Computing, where cutting-edge technology meets limitless possibilities. Embrace hands-on learning with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and SAP, guided by industry experts who are shaping the digital frontier.
Our BTech computer science program is built on experiential learning, real projects, coding labs, and industry exposure. With industry tie-ups like HCL Tech, students learn to work on live projects, gaining real-world skills. Experiential learning here has transformed how I think, innovate, and solve problems.
At DBS Global University, we blend theoretical mastery with practical experience, preparing you to lead in the world of tech innovation.
DBS Global University and HCL Tech had a collaboration through which we get huge opportunity to learn design thinking.
Our state-of-the-art iMark lab plays a pivotal role in providing students with cutting-edge technology that helps them in app development, 3D modeling, and multimedia projects.
The idea behind offering of the programs is that the student should be industry ready with core understanding of the technology, learning all the life skills, and becoming productive from day zero.
What sets DBS apart is that there is never a dull moment. From technical fest to leadership summits, from student-driven innovation hubs to industry-driven challenges, there is always something happening.
At DBS Global University, we blend the perfect fusion of culture and technology through our Cultural Tech Fest. This event showcases the boundaries of innovation with exciting hackathons, technical challenges using robotics that push the boundaries of creativity.
This immersive ecosystem ensures that the students does not only graduate with degrees but as the future-ready innovators and change makers.
As a student at DBS Global University, I can confidently say that this is the most experimental and happening university, where every day is a chance to learn, innovate, and create.
Join us in mastering the tools of tomorrow and shaping the future today.